Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair this Lenovo earbuds to your laptop. First of all, you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%, input them to the case and then open it, take them out of this case, and you will find that on the left earbud there's this indicator that is right now blinking. As you can see, it looks like that. It means that your device is automatically in the pairing mode. So what we have to do right now, that's very simple. We have to open the sound settings. I mean the main settings, and go for the Bluetooth. So go for the left side for the Bluetooth and devices. Turn on Bluetooth with the switcher. Click to add device. Select Bluetooth. And now just wait until the Lenovo earbuds pops on the list. As you can see, they are still blinking, so it means that they are still visible to other devices. Okay, so on my private phone they are already here. I'm gonna show you. Oh, it disappeared, but as you can see, here they are in this place. But on the laptop they are still not available, so we have to keep waiting. Okay, as you can see, they appear right now, so we can just click on them once. And as you can see right now, we are connected. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.